Hello, I'm here to present to you the design choices I've made in this infographic to inform the general public about some basic facts of glass recycling. One important set of guidelines for visual design is called the Gusteau principles. Several of these principles are used in this infographic. One of these is the principle of closure, which states that the reader will be more engaged with an object if the shape is not complete. This can be seen in my infographic in the titles of each section, since the title boxes do not continue to the edge of the infographic. The next principle used in this infographic is the principle of alignment. Having a common alignment through the entire infographic makes a design more appealing to look at. Everything on this infographic is centered, which makes it consistent and easy to read. The last Gestalt principle utilized in this infographic describes similarity and anomaly. I chose to do this with the text of this infographic. All of the text is the same font and size except for keywords and numbers, like the 30% here in the introduction. The enlargement of this text causes the percentage to stand out, since it is different from all of the surrounding text. Another principle that I use throughout this infographic is simplicity. As you can see, there are 3 simple sections of this infographic which are separated with small titles. This keeps the infographic organized and coherent for the reader. Additionally, the icons used here, like the garbage cans, oil drops, and the light bulb, were specifically chosen to be simple enough for easy comprehension. The infographic also utilizes the rule of thirds, which states that designs are more appealing when divided into 3 parts. This design displays a vertical division into 3 parts: the title and introduction section, the items saved section, and the steps of glass recycling section. This organizes the design to have a structure which is easily recognizable. The last thing to discuss about the design of this infographic is the color selection. In any design, it is important to keep the number of colors to a minimum. That is shown in this design, with only 3 colors present: brown, maroon, and green. These colors each have a meaning which I wanted to convey to the reader. The brown color in the top picture and in some of the icons was chosen to fit the color of most glass bottles and also to represent the natural durability of glass. The green was chosen to represent this as an environmental topic. Maroon represents controlled and thoughtful action, which adds to the calm and simple design of this infographic. Additionally, maroon is a complementary color to the shade of green I used in this design, since it is on the opposite side of the color wheel. Having a complementary color combination is appealing to the reader and represents a harmonious design. As you can see, this infographic has been deliberately designed using specific principles in order to best engage the reader. Thank you for listening.